Welcome back! Today we're going to learn how to solve a 3-digit long division problem with a remainder. Remember our 4 easy steps. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Let's say it together. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Step 1. Divide. 725 divided by 4 is equals. First, start with the first digit inside the division bracket. It's 7. How many times can 4 go into 7? Let's use skip counting. 4, 8. Oops! 8 is too big, so we stop at 4. That means 4 goes into 7 one time. Write 1 above the 7. Step 2. Multiply. Now multiply. 1 times 4 equals 4. Write 4 under the 7. Step 3. Subtract. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Write 3 underneath. Step 4. Bring down. Bring down the next digit, 2. Now we have 32. Repeat the steps. Divide again. How many times does 4 go into 32? 32 divided by 4 is equals 8. Write 8 above the 2. Step 6. Now multiply. 8 times 4 equals 32. Write 32 under 32. Now subtract. 32 minus 32 equals 0. Great! Nothing is left. Step 7. Bring down and divide again. Bring down 5. Then divide 5 by 4 is equals to 1. Write 1 on the top. 4 goes into 5 one time. Step 8. Multiply, subtract, and find the remainder. 1 times 4 equals 4. Write 4 under the 5. Subtract. 5 minus 4 equals 1. The remainder is smaller than 4, so we cannot divide anymore. Great job! So our remainder is 1. Our final answer is 725 divided by 4 is equals 181 or 1. And we are done. Let's check your answer. Multiply the quotient, then add the remainder. Our quotient is 181. The divisor is 4. Our remainder is 1. Multiply 181 times 4 is equals 724. Then add 1 the remainder and we got 725. It matches the dividend. So our answer is correct. Excellent work. Remember the 4 easy steps every time you solve long division. 1. Divide 2. Multiply 3. Subtract 4. Bring down, repeat the steps until you're done. The remainder must be smaller than the divisor. Now it's your turn. Try the next problems by following these 4 easy steps. 425 divided by 3 is equals. First, how many times can 3 go into 4? 3 can go into 4 one time. Write 1 on the top. Multiply 1 times 3 is equals 3. Write 3 under 4. Subtract. 4 minus 3 is equals 1. Bring down 2. Now we have 12. Let's repeat the steps again. Divide 12 to 3 is equals 4. Multiply 4 times 3 is equals 12. Write under 12. Subtract 12 minus 12 is 0. Bring down 5. 5 divided by 3 is equal 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Write under 5. 5 minus 3 is equals 2. So our remainder now is 2. Therefore, 425 divided by 3 is equals 131 or 2. And that's the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.